All right, guys, so we have this this shoot house all set up for this demonstration. If you guys are ready, let's go. Guys, I just wanted to show you really quick these targets and the way they respond to shooters. So when you shoot these guys, they actually respond to the way you shoot them. So if you shoot them like the extremity, they're going to keep shooting back at you. Or if you shoot them in the head or the A zone in the chest, then obviously they're going to drop a lot quicker. So that's also just a really cool addition to the software and the way they interact with the projectors and you shooting at the targets. It is anatomically considered as to where you shoot the target. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you guys. We have two targets here. The first guy I'm going to shoot like in the leg, and then I'm going to shoot him in the arm and see if he goes down. And then on the second guy, I'll shoot him in the A zone once and see if he goes down. If not, we'll go for the head, and he should drop. All right, so if you guys are ready, let me put my eyes and ears on really quick. So on this yellow guy, I'll go ahead and again, I'll shoot him in the leg, I'll shoot him in the arm, see how he responds to us. All right, so you see he responded to that, but he's still kind of standing as he may be in real life. But if I shoot him again, all right, so you saw I shot him in the leg, and then I shot him in the shoulder, and then I shot him dead in the chest, right? So I would say, is it realistic? Well, it depends, but I would say it's a lot more realistic than other software that I've seen out there before. All right, so for this guy, I'll shoot him in the chest and we'll see how many shots it takes for him to go down. All right, so that first shot didn't register, but that second shot did register, as you saw that little green dot, and immediately went down. So that's what's really cool about this software. It's a really quick addition that I want to let you guys know is the amount of training that you're getting here is a lot more realistic than you would elsewhere or just in a regular shoot house. So again, for more information, guys, go to lasershot.com. I'm Kawa. I train with Lasershot, as you can see, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.